Quick tutorial on how to do a mask for cloth masks. I'm going to untie this so that it's a little easier for me to talk to you. The first thing you need is 2 pieces of material, 6 by 9 inches, ties, as long as it's comfortable for you. We've been doing 24 inches just because it seems to work well for tying around our heads. Tools for cutting and tools for using with your sewing machine. I have already used my hand sanitizer and I've used Lysol to spray down my area. Again, just making sure that we're keeping everything safe for everybody. And with that being said, let me show you how to sew this. So, my trusty sewing machine. The first thing you do, place your materials so they're right sides together. I use the edge of my foot here to sew. That way I do the same size every single time I sew. So you go backward, forward, just to give it a little bit of stability when we get ready to turn it inside out. All the way around, all 4 sides. Fortunately, this is not a rocket science project, so you can go pretty fast and you don't have to worry about it looking like it should be on a runway. Now remember, don't close up this side. You have to leave, so back, forward, back. That's that little space right here so that we can turn it inside out. So on this side, I can show you where I left space so I can turn it inside out. I have found the easiest way to turn it inside out is to stick a finger in there and a thumb here. Start pushing that through. It's my favorite part, is making it look like magic at the end. You want to push out all your corners. Just run your finger through the inside, push out all your corners. So what you end up with looks like a perfect little rectangle. And once more, all the way around. This time, you go all the way. There's no stop. You're basically sealing it up, and you're giving the mask a little bit of stability to do this. The nice thing about this project is, for those of you that don't have a new machine like this one, Grandma's old Singer from 1923 will do this. Your mother's machine from 1950 will do this. It's straight stitches. It's nothing fancy. Everybody can get involved with this project. The idea behind this project is to get cloth masks that we can get into the hands of our police and EMS, so that when they are bringing people in their vehicles, they can keep themselves safe and keep the people in the vehicle safe by putting a mask on them. Now, in my county, we are in need of elastic for a larger project to repair N95s. So I've been making masks, and let me show you that again. Piece of material. I just lay it in there so that I know how big it needs to be. And then I sew that fold down on the edge right there. So I'll come in here, just right on the edge, and just stay right on the edge. Do the exact same to the other side. That's just so I know the size. And the only thing I forgot is a paper clip to show you how to string this through. But with a paper clip, you stick it on and you just pull this string through, and you end up with a mask that looks just like this. You can wear it either way. Pull it together. I made mine into a necklace so I don't lose it. bring it up, tie it around your head, and you have a mask that covers your entire mouth, the sides of your face. Is easy to take on and off, helps protect you, helps protect our law enforcement, helps protect the people in the vehicles with them.